Hi, in this video I would like to share with you my experiment on losing some weight. So in this video, on the left side you will see a picture of my weight before that running pass. In the middle picture you will see how much I ran and how long time it took. On the right side the picture is my weight after the running pass. I also included a summary of this information for each training pass on the Excel cells here, like the date, weight before training, weight after training, the difference in the weight, how much I run, and the time of running. This diagram summarizes my experiment in losing weight. I included in this diagram the date of the training pass, my weight before and after training pass, the running pass, length and time. Also I made it more experimental, I could say, because I did some little changes that affected the result. So the first period I made it here in the diagram in the orange color, the second one in yellow, and the third one blue. Let's have a look at the first part on the orange. For example, on 9th of April my weight was 63.7 after running 8 kilometers in 40 minutes interval, this period interval running. On the second pass you can see my weight is 63.2, which is 500 grams less. And if you look at the training pass after, on 14th of April, you can see that it's also like 600 grams less than the weight on the training pass before. So each time I'm losing some weight clearly, and in this orange period I run interval. I changed it to run the same distance or probably a little bit more, as you can see 9 kilometers and 10 kilometers in 45 minutes. But this was in same speed, so I run in same speed in the yellow period. So at the beginning I gain, or the weight difference wasn't less, but it was more, and the training pass after, you can notice here at once it was much better. So 22nd it was more than the 20th, and on the 25th it's 61.9, which is less than the training pass before, with 300 grams less. So this was a good. It's a good to experience to experiment on this, because anything I do in my training pass affect the result. And later on, I thought here I did on the orange and yellow period I did 1 meal a day, and I thought let me try to do the 2 meals a day and see what will happen. So in the blue part I was taking 2 meals a day, and you can see here my weight got up, and it's not really in fat mass, but in energy, saved energy in the body. So for example, 14th of May it was 61.8, which is more than the training pass earlier, which was 60.6. So it's about for 600 grams more. And on 18th of May it's 62.6, which is also 800 grams more. So later on 23rd it's less, so it's 62.3 with 300 grams less. And here I could say that my body got back in balance, and I start to lose some fat. As you can notice here, the body weight got up in both times, in 22nd of April and in 14th of May. and that doesn't mean it's got up in fat mass, but it's in more saved energy and more liquid and food in the body. Yeah, I couldn't go more in this experiment since I got knee injury on the 23rd of May, but I'm recovered right now, and I'm doing another experiment, and be tuned to see my next experiment. To summarize my experiment, I could say the interval running passes gave me the best result. I lost every time about between 500 and 600 grams, while on the same speed running pass it was less, even when I took 2 meals a day. What's interesting is that when I was doing the 1 meal a day, I was taking a double meal, so it wasn't a small meal, but it was like taking a double meal, 200% more than 1 meal in one time. And that was the experiment, is to do the 1 meal a day just to have less insulin as much as possible, just to get the best results of the training to lose weight. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and stay tuned to see the next experiment.